If you want to delete your Apple Music account permanently, follow these steps to ensure that your subscription and data are removed. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon of the free tab, then select Account Settings. This will take you to the settings related to your Apple Music account. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In your account settings, look for the Manage Subscription option. This will allow you to view your current subscription status and options. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. This step is crucial as it prevents any future charges. Step 5. Delete your Apple ID. To permanently delete your Apple Music account, you need to delete your Apple ID. Visit the Apple ID account page, sign in, and follow the instructions for deleting your account. Be aware that this will remove all associated data across Apple services. Once you have completed these steps, your Apple Music account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and you will lose all your music and playlists.